LiGo for LinkedIn AI has just dropped, and in this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing software. Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned pro, this tool promises to transform how you interact with LinkedIn. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how it works, its strengths, and what to consider before diving in. First off, what exactly is LiGo for LinkedIn AI? At its core, it's designed to streamline your LinkedIn experience using cutting-edge AI to help you optimize your profile, generate personalized content, and even automate networking tasks. It's like having an AI-powered LinkedIn assistant that works around the clock, making sure you stay on top of your game. What sets LiGo apart is how intuitive and easy it is to use. No need to be an AI expert to get started. You can instantly tap into features like automated content creation, profile optimization, and engagement strategies. If you've ever struggled with crafting the perfect LinkedIn post or connecting with the right people, LiGo does it all for you with a simple click. But there's more. It's not just about content creation. LiGo for LinkedIn AI allows you to target specific audiences with precision, so you're not wasting time on irrelevant connections. It analyzes your existing network, then suggests connections based on shared interests, job titles, industries, and more. This is a game changer for anyone looking to grow their professional network or improve their lead generation. Another highlight is its automated messaging feature. If you've spent hours sending cold messages to prospects on LinkedIn, you'll appreciate this. LiGo uses smart algorithms to craft personalized, natural-sounding messages that increase your chances of getting a response without losing the human touch. Now, let's talk about analytics. LiGo doesn't just help you send out messages or posts, it tracks everything. You get real-time data on your engagement rates, profile visits, and how well your content is performing. This gives you valuable insights into what's working and what needs tweaking, so you can continuously improve your LinkedIn strategy. But, like any software, LiGo isn't perfect. One of the things to keep in mind is that while the AI does an amazing job at automation, the content it generates can sometimes feel a bit too generic. For those looking for highly customized, unique content, you might still need to tweak it manually, but if you're looking for speed and efficiency, it's a small trade-off. And here's a big bonus. You can try LiGo for LinkedIn AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. This is your chance to test it out without any commitment and see if it really lives up to the hype. But stick around, because I'm going to show you how it stacks up against other AI tools I've tried and why it's one of my top recommendations. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've put together a list of the best AI software options for digital marketing, and I've included them in the description below. These are the tools I trust, and they could help take your LinkedIn strategy to the next level. So if you want to boost your LinkedIn game with AI, LiGo is worth a try. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out for free and see for yourself how it can help you grow your professional network, optimize your content, and save time.